Good morning, everyone. My name is Madhukshira. I like nature because it's natural. It's like a baby in the garden, and I'm very happy that I planted a plant today to save my Mother Earth from pollution. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Ananya Anjana Breka. Today we Ologians are planting sapling, and I'm very happy to plant sapling because I'm really sure that all these saplings will provide oxygen to all the kids and people surrounded Ology. And my friends are also planting, and we are planting these saplings under each one plant one, and I'm really happy to see my sapling grow as I grow in Ology. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we the Ologians are going to plant our own saplings under each one plant one. We will make sure that we will reduce global warming and save our planet Earth. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So today we Ologians are going to plant our own trees in our school garden. So hopefully our trees will go really big, and we will make sure that it stays strong and healthier, and we will make sure to water it every day. Save trees, save earth. Thank you.